the Infosys chairman N.R. Narayan Murthy allayed concerns over the recent exits that the company has seen, stating that most of the people who left were deriving high salaries and not adding value. He also said that the CEO search process was on track. Murthy was speaking to investors at the Bank of America Merrill Lynch India conference. Let's go across to Chandra Srikanth, who joins in with more details. Chandra, some pretty, scathing comments coming in.
That's right, a very candid and aggressive Narayan Murthy there, telling investors, really allaying any concerns over the spate of recent exits. He's told them that there is absolutely no turmoil in the company, far from what is perceived. And he's also said that most of the people who left the company in the last few months were really not adding value but were deriving high salaries. He said barring one or two good people, most of them were really not adding value. He's also said that the company has to take tough decisions, and that identifying low performers and easing them out will be an important component of the cost optimization exercise. So I think we are going to see pressure on more employees in the coming months. He's also spoken about the CEO succession. He said that they will have a CEO to succeed Shibu Lal by the time Shibu Lal is ready to leave next year, which is roughly around March 2015. So that is when they will have a CEO candidate in place, and he's also said that he will help the new CEO as far as the transition is concerned. Finally, he's also pretty optimistic on the growth front. He said that the quality of proposals have improved, the response to client has improved, and they are also working to really improve the delivery. So that's a confident Murthy, but a very scathing Murthy talking about the spate of recent exits.